We offer a full service equipment lease. So if you were to lease from us, we would supply the equipment, we'd provide the service, we'd provide the parts, we'd maintain it, make sure that your equipment is always up and running. There are also some neat technologies that we've been employing recently that will allow us to tie the machines to the internet. And so the machine will actually email us when it goes down. So you don't even have to call in for a service call. We've already been notified. You're on a priority list from us in terms of your contract with the service. And so we'll get you the next available service tech. And you may have it fixed before you even know it's down. So, leasing is certainly, we're seeing it become more and more popular. These machines are getting more and more expensive as I think as everything in the world is. But, you're looking for an average 65-pound washer, $15,000, you're $7,000 or $8,000 for a dryer. So, outfitting a laundry in a typical hotel or nursing home, you could be $50,000 to $70,000 of equipment. So it's a lot of CapEx that if you could just, hey, I just want to pay a low monthly payment, I want everything taken care of, and then when it's time to replace the machine, we'll just come out and pull the old one out and put a new one in and just keep going. So it really does transfer the risk and transfer the headache to us to maintain that equipment, to make sure that you got the most energy efficient, that you're operating fully, because labor is the most expensive thing, and having machines down and having to run to maybe to a laundromat or having to run overtime to pay for it will certainly eat away really quick at your budget. So being able to nail that down and know that you can depend on it is important.